everyone, Jordan here with another MJRL Hobby Stuff. Please hit that subscribe button so that you know when it's time to hang out with the boys. Today, checking out the entry grade Strike Gundam. This is the clear color version. Yeah, looks good. 144 scale entry grade. Here's the front, here's the back of the bag. Looks pretty darn cool with those clear parts. This is the bag version, so the only weapons that come with it are the two daggers, sadly. But that's okay, because we're going to build it, and we're going to love it, because that's what we do. We build and we love what we build, and build what we love, and love what we build. Check out the runners. Oh, nice. It's not mechanical clear, it's like a creamy clear. Cool. Why are you stuck? Why are you stuck? Oh, there we go. Okay, we got some blue clear here. And everything else, red and gray, is normal color. There you go, that's the runner breakdown. There we go. Very nice. Super simple construction. It's an entry grade, but you know, entry grades always have really, really, really good articulation. Yep. It's gonna be epic. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here it is. We got all the parts off the runner. Pretty cool little setup. Time-lapse mode, and let's put it together. Alright guys, there it is. The entry grade Strike in clear color. Pretty cool, fun build. I think after I got all the parts off the runner, that actual stop motion sequence took less than 20 minutes in real time. Very nice. Let's look at that face up close. Some neat color separation in there. With the fins even. I mean the vents being gray as well. Very cool. Yeah. What can I say? Pretty cool. Pretty cool entry grade. You know, it's 144 scale. It's going to have all the articulation you'd expect from a normal high grade. But assembling it is just very, very quick. Very, very simple. Virtually no tools required. I would still say have some sandpaper handy to sand off some nubs. But let's go through some of the articulation. Head, it's technically a double ball joint. Yep. Shoulder joint, not bad. Shoulder armor moves up and down. Bicep rotation, simple. Double, well, not double elbow bend, but pretty deep elbow bend. Ball joint at the wrist. The abs are pretty cool. There's ball joints in there, so it gives you this. It's too far. Pretty good front and back, as well as some good side to side. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty good for a side to side. Oop, don't get too far. Good. Front skirt moves. Side skirt moves. Back skirt stuck. Splits are okay. They get a little bit blocked by the hip armor. I guess let's see if we move it out of the way. I don't think you can get a full split because of the way the hips are designed. Yeah. That's as far as you're going to get splitting. The hip ball and socket right there. So you get some, but this upper thigh armor blocks against their knee joint. Very nice knee joint. Wow, look at that. Front kick, not bad. Back kick is probably going to be kind of pathetic. Yep. That's okay. Ankle on the ball. A little bit of rotation here in the armor. Up close on the legs, you can see here on the back side that there's a peg diving into the ankle joint that gives you a little bit of motion. There you go. A little bit up and down as well. And there's just a peg that drops straight into the foot there. So you get a little bit of movement. And then the whole ankle joint is on a C-clamp there. So it goes that way, go all the way that way. And side to side is just the limitation of the ball joint that's in that foot, which is apparently fairly robust. Ow. Being that this is just the bag version, these are the only weapons that the strike comes with. And they just simply slot into the hands, like so, for a little bit of stabby action. Very, very cool. I forgot to mention also that his shoulder does butterfly a little bit, like that, because there's a C-clamp in there, just kind of butterflies, as well as, interestingly, the back has a hole in it, and both elbows have holes. So I wonder if he should be compatible with pretty much all of the 30 Minutes missions equipment that's out there as well, with those pegs and peg holes in the back. Alright, thank you for the view. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.